Right, so I've got an Amazon email come through that says we couldn't deliver your parcel, and that was it. And I thought, oh, it's going to be delivered the next day. Sometimes they give it to a neighbour. They all must have been out. But then when I checked the order, it come up, your parcel has been put in an Amazon locker. It's only down the road. It's not far. And it says it will be there till 9 o'clock AM, and then they try to deliver it again. So I thought, I'll come down, they send you this barcode and a PIN number. I've never done this on Amazon before. Come down to this locker. It is hot. It's 10 to 11. We've come down to this locker. We're going to open it up and see if the parcel's in there. I've never done it. So let's go to this Amazon locker. Pitch black it is. 10 to 11. I might have to stand that side. So here we go. We've got this. And it says, I don't know what it says. Touch to start. You're getting this.
Yeah.
Enter your PIN, or you can scan the barcode. I'm going to try to scan the barcode. It's doing absolute nothing. Oh, it's taken it. Here we go. Hey! It just pinged open. Look at that. Then I suppose you close it. Thank you for using Amazon Locker. Look how easy that was. Literally, you get the scan code, you pick it up. These things are amazing. Look at it. That's it. We're done. I've got my parcel.